Hi, this is Kristen and welcome to Make It a Garden. Today I'd like to demonstrate glue and a couple of the glue techniques for making dish flowers or garden totems. So the glue that I use almost all of the time is 100% silicone, and it comes in a little squeeze tube like this that you can find at your local hardware store. So these are the two plates that I want to glue together. If you're using the drill method that I recommend, you'll have a screw through the plate. If you're using a different method, you won't. So if you remember back in grade school when we used to glue something, we'd put a big glob of glue right in the center. But that's not actually the best way to do this. What you want to do is squeeze a bead of silicone right around the edge of the plate. Just like that. And then I'm just going to stick it right down here in the center, and you want to push it down gently to get rid of air bubbles so that you have good surface-to-surface contact. And there you are. So the technique is pretty much the same for making a garden totem. And I'm going to glue this vase to the top of this bowl, and I like to use bowls as my base. The base gives my garden totem a little more stability so it doesn't easily get knocked over. Silicone is nice because it doesn't have an odor, and it's very sticky. Now, as you can see, the silicone squishes out the side, and that's actually a good thing. But you don't want to let it dry that way. So what you want to do is you want to take your finger and smooth the bead all the way around. Nice and smooth, just like that. And when the glue dries, it will hardly be visible. So I hope you found this helpful. Please check out our website for more interesting garden projects at makeitagarden.com. Thanks for watching.